Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2018 Porsche 911 Targa 4S. It's a really nice car. It originated in Canada. It's a paint to sample car at that time in arena red over a black interior, as we'll see. Has a black top. Overall, really nice condition. We've done a full major service on it, including the spark plugs, brake fluid flush. Replaced all 4 tires on it as well. Let's take a look inside. Porsche's 14-way seats. Here, 21,520 miles as it sits. Does have a heated steering wheel. The button is right down here, and then you can see up here it says heated steering wheel on or off. Coming over here to the console, of course we've got navigation. We do have both heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. Down here, we've got the sport mode. We also have the PASM setting, so you can stiffen up the suspension or not. We get the sport exhaust as well. That can be turned on independent. And of course, the PDK transmission. In this era, you were able to get a manual transmission, but this one is equipped with the PDK. So just a really nice, clean Targa. If you have any questions, reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.